Have you sprained your ankle and it still doesn't feel right? There's something most people never hear about that could speed up the healing process in ways that ice and rest can't. It's a technique that targets your body's own repair systems right at the source. When you roll, twist, or sprain your ankle, swelling, pain, and weakness can linger for weeks, months, or even longer. And each time you sprain your ankle, it can get weaker, making it easier to sprain it again. In the next few minutes, I will show you the Ankle Sprain Miracle Point that's been used for centuries by acupuncture masters to help ankle sprains heal fast. It is a powerful Chinese hand acupuncture point that's considered a miracle point. Chinese hand points are among the most effective on the body. They follow a this for that approach. Use this point for that issue. They're quick to learn, easy to use, and remarkably effective. Knowing hand acupressure is like having a pharmacy in your hand, and learning these points is an important step to becoming your own doctor. Please comment below with any trouble that you've been having with a sprained ankle. I read all the comments and use them to plan future videos. My name is Dr. Barrett. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I'm certified in acupoint physical medicine. I've helped thousands of people live better naturally, and I want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos like this come out. The Ankle Sprain Miracle Point was located on the side of your thumb joint, right over here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Massage this point in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds, like this. Or if you have a Teishin, which is a spring-loaded acupressure instrument, you can pulse it 25 times, like this. Now find and activate the Ankle Sprain Miracle Point on your other hand. If you had a recent ankle sprain, or you're dealing with the symptoms from an old ankle sprain, I suggest that you find and activate this point 3 times a day for the next 30 days, then use as needed thereafter. To further strengthen your ankle and perhaps prevent future injuries, I suggest that you activate your vagus nerve. I've put my video Unlocking the Power of the Vagus Nerve right over here. Have a look.